Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to replace words automatically in Microsoft Word after typing them. We'll be able to replace all instances of one word with a different word of our choice within the entire document if we wanted to. Thankfully the method is nice and simple, so it won't take us too long. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. Open Word and your chosen document and first go to the Home tab at the top and then look for the option called Replace. Alternatively, use the keyboard shortcut of Ctrl and the H key on Windows or Command and the H key on a Mac. This should open the Replace window too. Make sure you are in the Replace tab and all you need to do is type the word in the top box you want to replace and then the word you want it to be replaced by in the bottom box. Click on Replace or Replace All if you want to change all instances of the word. If you only want to do this for a certain area of text, make sure you select the text before opening the Replace window. And so that is how to replace words automatically in Microsoft Word after typing them. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows PC. Help support the channel by visiting the store, the link is in the description and at the end of the video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.